President Museveni ashagatirwa mukazi we Mama Janet Museveni kandi okubamwakira n'amashemererwa bari kumwebaze byabakorire obiyabira Minister w'enshonga za Karamoja. Elma Kapeu Chala oryomwebembezi w'eminyeto yashabangu besije President Museveni omunkire rkwija abase kubombekera amashomero g'ebyemikono agarukushomeseza busha chere eminyeto kutunga emirimo.
We are wondering what Karamoja would be without you, Your Excellency. Would still be worse. We thank God for giving us you, the son of Uganda. We thank you for the leadership that has appreciated and put Karamoja to the economic path in the country.
Your Excellency, the proposed district of Kapeta has a population of 103,000 people, 7 sub-counties, 2 town councils. The population of Kotido district has exponentially grown from 34,000 in 1980 to over 219,000 because of your visionary leadership in improving health services, peace, security, and integrated development.
Mama Janet Museveni yasima ba Karamoja bukwakira President Museveni kandi yabashaba kumutorana akatungure cyange iki na mnonge ntasi yo mumaka.
All the families of Karamoja will transform their homes and their residences will not be grass-thatched anymore, so that these children can be brought up in better families and better homes with better food and better places to live.
Museveni yabanza kugamba hari abababire mbajyango akakora inshobi okuyaba Karamoja mbundu bari kujyango bakabambaza kosa kwerinda batukana ababire nibabatahirira bari ku rugo muri Kenya bakabiba hwente bari korise mbundu.
The gun, the fire, the guns must be in the armory of the army and the police.
Tamagira ngatomian eyakabira kana nkia ini bon kana bon akichakineta nkia ngang polido.
And not just everywhere.
But
some people are saying, no, we cannot remove the guns in Karamoja because there are guns in Turkana, there are guns in Topotha, there are guns in Ethiopia, there are guns in Somalia, there are guns in Pokot. We must stay with the guns so that we have balance of terror. They kill us and we kill them. I told them that I want to go to heaven. I'm not working for you. I'm working to go to heaven. I don't want to go to Gehenna. Because as a leader, if I say, you stay with the guns and kill one another, what will I tell God when I go to confront him?
Museveni yabahamza ngo bahereza yembunde zibino mu government bamurekera ubujunanzi bwo kubakuma abatukana bakujyana ngo bakabanyangaraza. Omurutaro rwo kubiyawe mbundu abatukana bakamugambira ngo akabinja kamahega UPDF akabire katakwenda kwabiyawe mbundu ngo abo ko bakabanbazikozesa kwibente nebindi.
And then the Karachona told me, we want to surrender, but the army does not want us to surrender because they want the raiding to continue. Army elements there.
Damaden Karachuna, echamta adoro nyaginyago na tobian. Lakini yankenlu abadi ke toremudret.
And if you are not careful, they can even kill you. Can you imagine? You can make how Uganda can do it. Some people in the army did not want the criminality to end because they wanted to go on stealing cows, but also making money that their operations when they are just stealing fuel and so on.
Museveni yajangwa karete ntunguka yabono muri Karamoja ariko basiyo obuhereza bw'amashanyarazi okombeke nguto kandi no mu kisanje kiri kwija naza kombeke zindi na mnongo ruguto rukuruga moroto rukaraba muri Kabong mpaka muri Kotido.
From Lira to Kitugum to the border with Sudan. What is the next? That's why we are now saying the next is Kitugum, Namukora, Karenga, Chidepo. Now here we are saying Moroto, Kotido, Kabong, and the borders, the ones you are talking about. So Karamoja now is going to be an industrial center of Uganda.
Yabaraganisa kubombekera amakorero arukwatanisa n'abarukagire by'intunguka bari mu mahanga gaheru abakugira ngo cyabire kibaremise n'entare zabire zitwiro mu cyangeke. Karamoja oye! Ndi Anita Tukunda.